folks, my name's Karl Smith from UK Hypnosis Academy, and what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you something interesting. I get sick and tired of listening to therapists that say, it's got to be quiet, it's got to be peaceful, we've got to really shut up. There is loads and loads of stuff that you can do. And what I want you to do is take note of what's now going to happen. We've got the class here on the diploma course. Everyone say hello. Hello. And these guys are now going to show something to you. That hypnosis is a state. It's got nothing to do with your surroundings. You can do it in a nightclub, do it on the street, and you can do it in a therapy room. What we're now going to prove is it doesn't have to be peace and quiet. So what you're now going to watch is something that's live, that's now going to go. These people have not done anything this morning. They're just going to go for it. Except I'm going to do one little thing for them. Ready? Go. They're hypnotizing. It doesn't have to be quiet, folks. It doesn't have to be quiet. Hi folks, I hope that gives you some inspiration to get out there and do something that's really funky. Get out there and go do it. Take care.